Remove your cover on your 115 Pro XS, whether it's a 115, not a Pro XS, Verado, whatever brand you have. With this style of Mercury motor, there's a lever right here. You're just going to tilt and you're going to lift it up, pop it out, and then lift your cover up. So let's get you a close up on that. So here's the cover right here. We're going to simply grab this lever right here, pull it like this, hear it click, let's put it back. I hit it to make sure. Click, it's out, and then we simply lift up. I'm going to use 2 hands to do it. Okay, just clicked. Simply lift up. And cover. She's slippery devil. Slippery devil, she's brand new. Alright, right here's your dipstick. Simply to check your oil right there. Oh, here you go. Here's your dipstick right here and your oil filter. Get a little zoom in of that. Dipstick. Oil filter. How often you change the oil on your boat motor? You change your boat motor oil about every 100 hours or once a year, depending on how much you obviously drive. So it's recommended to change it once a year so it's fresh every year. You should do that. Same with your Gear Lube. It's always good to replace it every single year. We'll pop the dipstick here and take a look. So I like to rotate my dipstick out, pull it, and let's see here. We have our fill line. We're definitely on this motor. Let's see that in this range is operating. Yeah, we're definitely on the high side, which is fine because I bought it brand new. And also you want to keep your motor as level as possible. There's the fuel filters right inside here too as well. You can see that baby down there. Fuel filter is this guy right here. And ideally you want to change that probably once a year or two. If you're running gas with ethanol in it, I'd recommend changing it every single year. But if you're not running ethanol and you're very tried and true about running non-ethanol, depending on what state you live in or if you can get non-ethanol, then you could probably let it go for every 2 years. But if you want to keep your motor tip-top, the simple things, oil filter, new oil and gas filter. I'd recommend changing them once a year. And the Gear Lube. Those are the basic maintenance 101 things to keep your motor running smoothly. So I'll put the dipstick back, oil's good. And I'll put the cover back on. Drop her right back in, make sure the lever is out. And lock her back in. Just give her that little tap once you actually get her in. You get a little tap, make sure it's locked in. And that's all there is on your Mercury 115. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions. I've taken the lever units off, changed out the Gear Lube, everything in the past, and I'll be bringing those videos to you in the near future. Thank you. Bye.